name is Radio. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up a Pocket Option account to trade binary options on the Pocket Option platform. To get started, click the link in the description of this video or the link below this video. When you click the link provided in the description, it will bring you to this page. Then the first thing you do, as it states, is to put in your email address. Kindly type in your email address, then you set a password that is easy for you to remember. And you also put in the password confirmation, making sure it is the same. When this is done, click on I have read and accepted the following agreement, public offer. Just click on this checkbox as it says, please check this box if you want to proceed. Now that is done, all we need to do now is click sign up. As you can see, it says the password confirmation field does not match the password field. It means the password confirmation is different from the password. Now what do? I need to fix this and make sure the two passwords are the same. Once you make sure your passwords are the same, it will go through. If it keeps telling you, please check your password, please check your this, check your that, you know you've made a mistake. Now we are inside the Pocket Option platform. You can decide to save your password so that when you come back here any other time, it automatically loads your account password and email so you can easily log in. Now we can continue demo trading, or we can just close this, go through the interface. This is the Pocket Option trading interface. The next thing to do is to fill in the profile and verify the account. Go right here where it says profile, your profile information and trading achievements. Click on this, then you click on profile, the second option, profile. It says confirm your email address. Now head over to your email account and check if you've gotten a mail from Pocket Option. Just like this, it says welcome to the cutting edge innovation trading platform, Pocket Option. This says confirm your email address. This is exactly what we need. Now click on confirm your email address. As you can see, this place that says confirm email, click on this and it will open up your confirmation page. Now we have successfully verified the email address. As you can see right here, it says success, your email has been successfully verified. Now put in your personal information. Right here you put in your first name. Let's say your first name is John. You click this check icon when you're done. That is it. Then your last name, let's say your last name is Doe. Your email address has been verified. As you can see right here, you can decide to go ahead and verify your phone number. The choice is yours, but it is not compulsory. It is not start right here. Kindly put in the date of birth on any of your official documents that you'll be using to verify this account. Then you click verify. Go ahead, select your country of residence and you can pick whatever suits you. Then go ahead, select the document type you use for your verification. I would advise you use your international passport, your driver license, but if you don't have any of those two, then you can proceed to use any of the local identifications. So now I will select passport just as an example. Document number, you go through your document. If it's your driver license, your passport, and enter whatever number you find on your document right here. Now it's time to select. So I selected an image from my computer. Let's just assume this is the soft copy of my international passport. When I click choose file, I selected where I saved it on my computer. All I need to do now is click upload, and by clicking upload, we'll be completing this identity status verification. As you can see right here, it says unverified. Please complete this form and upload your ID document in order to get your account verified and unlock its full functionality. We've put in the country, we've put in the ID type, we've put in the document number. Now I have selected where the file is located. All you need to do is click upload. When that is done, you can see right here it says verification in progress. When it's done, it will write verified right here under the status. But this doesn't stop you from trading right now. You can start trading and start using your account. If you choose to change your avatar, put in a profile picture, you can click right here. Clicking right here, you can see I was able to select an image. Now it's loading the image. After it loads the image, I need to then crop the image to the size I want and make it fit however I desire. Now you can see my very beautiful avatar. If you choose to hide your profile, you can click on this. If you want it to be viewable by the public, then you can just leave it the way it is. You can set your username if you want to change the default username. So let's say this will be Trading God. And yes, the username is available. You can see it has changed the username, the nickname to Trading God. You can turn off the notifications. I suggest you do this because I don't want unnecessary emails to keep piling up in my mailbox. You can see how we've been able to go from opening the account to verifying our identity information to identity status and trying to verify our ID, then to social trading where we put our avatar, change our nickname and decide if we want our profile viewable or not, and to settings where we turn off the email notifications. Now you can turn on the sound notifications to know when you start a trade and when you end any trade. That is how to properly set up your pocket option account. If everything is fine with your document and all the information on your document tallies with your first name, your last name, your date of birth, definitely your document will be verified and your account status will change to verified. When your document is verified, you will be able to enjoy all the full features of pocket option. But in the meantime, as you can see, your account has been credited with $1,000 free money to practice and learn the different strategies on how to trade options. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are trying to learn binary options trading and how to use the pocket option platform, there are more videos in this video series that will teach you everything you need to know about pocket option. Kindly watch the next suggested videos or go below this video in the description or in the course menu, and you can watch more videos on the pocket option platform. In the coming videos, we'll be talking about how to deposit into pocket option, how to withdraw from pocket option, how to set your indicators, understanding the platform in general, and so on and so forth. Once again, my name is Radio. Thank you for watching this video.